Hello everyone and welcome. Today I want to show you what I eat for breakfast, or a simple idea. It is an easy and very cheap breakfast, perfect for students. Hey you! Before we get started, if you are new here on the channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button. It will help me a lot. Thanks! The first ingredient you need is oatmeal, then sweeter, chocolate, and a fruit you like. I prefer an apple, and finally, of course, protein powder with vanilla. I put some water in and then in the microwave for like 1 minute, and afterward I start stirring it like this. And then you take a spoon of protein powder with vanilla, stir around until it is a smooth mass. And then put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then I take an apple, cut it in bit pieces, small pieces. And then I bring my chocolate, put it in and let it melt. And then here we go. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching. If you liked my content, I would appreciate if you push the like button or subscribe. You can choose another video from my account. See you in the next video. Goodbye.